and welcome to the first episode of the Food Pantry Meal of the Week. Oh. On this episode, we're going to be cooking chicken alfredo. Okay, first step, visit the food pantry and get all your ingredients. Okay, here's what you need. 1. Pasta. 2. Alfredo sauce. And 3. Chicken. Next, check out the ingredients. I said check them out. Okay, and if you want to add a bit of natural taste, go to visit your local Penn State Brandywine Campus Garden Student Coordinator, McKenna. Now all you need is something to cook in. That's not gonna work. Okay. First step, we need to wash our hands. Next, we need to wash the spinach. Next, we need to start our pasta by filling this pot with water and then getting it to a boil before putting it in. Our water has come to a boil. We're gonna put our pasta in. And while we wait, a dance break. Alright, after our dance break, our noodles should be done. Let's check them by grabbing one noodle or two and checking their consistency. Perfect. All right, so to prep our pan, we're going to put a drop of oil in and move it around so that our chicken doesn't stick. Once we put oil in our pan, we're going to put our chicken in and give it a nice sear. This chicken is already cooked, so we don't need to cook it for too much longer. We just want to bring it to the right texture. Now that our chicken is in the pan, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, but we're going to do it fancy. All right, the chicken's almost done, so we're going to get it in a bowl. All right, next, we're going to heat up our Alfredo sauce in that pan. Now I'm going to mix the pasta with our Alfredo so we can get it all around. So, now that this is properly mixed, we're going to add in some of our own seasonings because I don't trust store-bought Alfredo. Now that we've seasoned our pasta, we're going to add in our spinach. Now we've turned the stove back on a little bit and we're going to continually mix this so that it wilts. Once the spinach is properly wilted, we're going to turn off our stove and we're going to set some aside for our vegetarian friends. Okay, now that we've set aside some for our vegetarian friends, we're going to add this chicken in for the rest of us. And then we're going to mix that in. I can't wait to try this delicious dish we just made. Delicious. You, Alfredo, now.
Oh my god. I'm eating it.
Take a bite, see how it tastes. Is it good? Is it even better knowing that that was completely free from the food pantry?
Oh my god, yeah. It is.
You lucky student have won yourself some free Alfredo. Take a bite and tell us how it tastes. What do you think?
That's good. Good job.
Now, do you think it's even better knowing that it was completely free from the food pantry?
Even better.
Great. Just a reminder, all the ingredients, aside from the oil, were completely free from the campus food pantry on the lower level of the Viro building. Go get yourself some food and start cooking.